What's going on? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alana and I love all things beauty, skin, and makeup. And today we are going to be doing a little bit of skincare. So in my last video I did a whole get ready with me and I showed you guys how I pretty much do my makeup every single day. So I figured today I'd show you how I remove my makeup and some of my favorite skincare products that I've been using. Total disclaimer, if you don't enjoy any of these products, that is your opinion, and you are always welcome to your own opinion. But these are products that I use pretty much on a daily basis, and if you guys want, I can totally do a likes and dislikes of skincare that I don't and do like. I'm very bad at these if you can't tell. But anyway, let's get into the video. So the first thing I do in my skincare is cleanse, and since I do typically wear a lot of makeup, I always double cleanse. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is the Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm from Vanilla Co. And I really do enjoy this one. I'm going to save my opinions on this for a later video, but I just take that much and I just swirl it around in my hands, and it just breaks down all the makeup without overly stripping my skin. Which, let's be honest, we all used to do that when we were like teenagers, overly strip our skin, because let's be honest, we didn't know any better. We knew nothing. And then I'll typically do my under eyes like right as I'm at the bowl, so you guys aren't going to see me cleanse my eyes like my eye makeup, just because my eyesight will get really blurry once I start taking that off. But I will get the concealer that's under here. And you guys can see how it's just breaking down all that product so naturally and so easily. Oh, and it just feels so good on the skin. But yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go wipe all this off and I will be right back. Alrighty, so I have washed the cleansing balm off my face, and what I did off camera was use my CeraVe cleanser. I usually use this while my face is still damp so it can get nice and sudsy, so I rinse the cleansing balm off and then I do 2 pumps of the CeraVe cleanser and really just work it in my skin for about a minute and then rinse it off, and I pat my face dry. I don't like rubbing my face with towels because that's just, it's going to cause redness and it just hurts the skin, so I prefer just to do gentle pats on the face with a nice soft towel. But yeah. These two are how I get my makeup off. This is to remove the makeup, and this is kind of just to cleanse the skin and get rid of any excess makeup, because this one from CeraVe also does remove makeup as well. On to the next step. For the next step in my routine after I cleanse, once a week I will do a mask, and these are some of my favorite masks that I have. I have 4 masks that I do, so I do each one a week. These two are by Peach and Lily. This one is the Super Reboot AHA BHA mask, and this one just, if my skin is like in a rut, not feeling good, I use this one. This saves my skin. I know on TikTok a lot of people were liking that one, the Ordinary. Thank you, Milo. That's my dog. I know. But, so, I know a lot of people were so into the TikTok one from The Ordinary that looks like little droplets of blood. Sir, do you mind? But this is so much better than that, and it lasts a lot longer. I'll be right back. So this Peach and Lily Super Reboot mask I really do enjoy. It makes my skin so much softer immediately after using it, so I highly recommend this one. It's a little bit more pricey than the Ordinary one, but you get better results and faster results with this one, so I highly recommend this one. Then the next one that I use is the Pore Proof Perfecting Clay Mask from Peach and Lily. This one unclogs my pores, makes them feel and look a little bit smaller, but I use this sparingly, which is why, I don't know if you can probably see in here, it doesn't really look like I've done a lot in here, because I really only use it on here where my pores are, the tip of my nose, my chin, and a little bit up in here because that's where the majority of my pores are. And I notice a significant difference in my skin with this. My pores look smaller. It feels like my skin can breathe a little bit better once I use this. So I do highly, highly recommend this one if you've got big pores like your girl over here. Next one, the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Mask. I use this when it's around that time of the month to help my breakouts. Because let's be honest, I'm a girl. I get breakouts during that time of the month. And this one, it tingles and it's cooling at the same time. It's a weird way to describe how it feels on the skin. And even though it is a little hard to get off when I'm washing it off in my sink, it works so great. The redness around my pores disappears, the actual size of my breakouts disappears, and overall, it just magically, in like 1 to 2 days, my breakouts are looking either almost gone or practically gone. So, and it's super affordable too. Like, I think it's like 15, 14 bucks at Ulta. And then this is my most pricey mask that I have. I'm ashamed to admit how much I paid for this. But this is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. I don't even think they make this anymore. But it's for wrinkles, I believe. At least that's what I heard on the packaging. Not heard, but saw. My dog is still in here and he's acting like a mess because I will not give him some attention right now. But anyway, it does smell like avocados, and I don't know if you can see, but I have dug in here quite a few times. I really only use this on my forehead because I do have those exaggerated lines, and this has helped so much with those lines on my forehead. Like, I cannot explain how great this is, but I love it. Alrighty, so the next step is serums, and so I have 6 serums here. He's very moody today, so I apologize for him in advance. So let's start with the 2 that I use every single day. So these are the 2 that I use every single day. The first one is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, and I just do 2 pumps of this on my fingers. And I'll be honest, I got this because of TikTok. What was it? It was either TikTok or Instagram. It was so long ago, but so many people were having great results with this. I think it was part of that like Korean skincare trend that was supposed to make you have like glass-like skin. And so I gave this a try, and it really does help in making your skin look brighter and look more glass-like in the sense that it adds like hydration. Sir, I will give you cookies in a second, okay? I know. And then the next one is the Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Oil. And as you can see, I am basically done with this. I'm going to save my opinions on this product for a different video because I have some very strong opinions about this oil. But I'm just going to say I should have listened to the person who I saw review this oil. That's all I'm going to say about it. But if you've tried this oil, let me know what your experiences were with it in the comments, because maybe I'm just not using this product right. But I'm going to keep my opinions to myself about this oil. But if you've used it, let me know down below in the comments. Now, those are the 2 I use every single day, and I do have 4 other ones, but I do rotate those ones out on a daily basis. So the 4 that I have are all from The Ordinary, and the first one is the Alpha Arbutin. I don't know how to pronounce any of these. The 2% one, and then I have the niacinamide one, the hyaluronic acid, and the Gran-Active Retinoid. So I have all 4 of these, and I basically just rotate them out, like when one comes in, one comes out in a way. That way I'm not using the same thing every single day. And what I've learned is just to take little droplets at a time because my skin in the beginning was just not doing so great, and I was like, why isn't it doing great? I'm using all these serums, so my skin should be looking great and feeling great, and that was the problem. I was using too many serums at once. So I kind of had to learn the hard way that serums, you have to base them off of what you want and what your skin is going through and what you want your end result for your skin to be, and not to use so much, because I used to use like a whole little thing of these, and you really only need like 2 or 3 dots. I have a big face, so I do 3 dots because I got a big face and a lot of work to keep it up, and like product. Don't forget, guys and ladies, to bring it down your neck, because neck can show aging, and that's what we want to avoid. We want people to think we're vampires, you know, because we look so young for so long. Oh my god, speaking of vampires, I've been rewatching Twilight with my boyfriend, and were you guys like Team Edward or Team Jacob? Let me know down below, because I'll be fully honest, I was Team Edward, and I don't know why. I really don't know why. Those movies are awful, let's be honest. Today I did use the niacinamide and the alpha arbitrin one. So then what I mean by like I'll switch them out is now I'll take out the alpha one, which is this one, and move up the retinoid that's next in rotation. Kind of like that. Just like in rotation. Yeah. Alrighty. Next step. Alrighty, so now that I have all my serums applied, the next step is eye cream. And once again, to my wallet, I'm very sorry. I am using currently Tatcha the Silk Peony. Now this little guy, I've named him Pablo, was I want to say like $80. So I just take a little bit, like I don't even know if you guys can see that on my nail. It's literally the most tiny bit, and that's honestly probably too much, but I take it in between my fingers, just like that, and I just pat it on my face, and then rub-a-dub-dub. Here comes the eye cream. Now, you might be thinking, Alana, you are 23 years old. What the heck do you need eye cream for? It's preventative, people. Plus, I have really bad eye bags. I'm a night owl, so I'm the kind of person that stays up till 3-4 o'clock in the morning, goes to sleep, and is up by 10. So I am always tired, and I have really, really bad eye bags. So I need eye cream to help with that. Now, is this working? I don't know. I literally just bought it like 2 weeks ago, so I can't give my formal opinion on this just yet. But it's eye cream. So we'll see if it works or not. If you have tried this, let me know in the comments what you think about it. And that is eye cream. I should not throw that, that's expensive. So after I put my eye cream on, next step is moisturizing. And I've been using this little sample of the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. Now here's the thing. I'm very, very picky with moisturizers because I don't like moisturizers that are super thick and I can feel them on my skin, but I don't like moisturizers that are crazy thin where I feel like I put nothing on them, you know, like I like a healthy balance. And I used to be using my CeraVe moisturizer, and that was okay. So I use that now in the mornings for like when I'm prepping for my makeup. But this sample, oh my god, I honestly think I'm going to go and buy the actual like moisturizer because it's just, oh my gosh, like I notice in the morning my skin looks and feels more moisturized, and not like a sticky moisturizing, but like a hydrated, you know, like it feels so soft and it smells so good. I'm just, oh, and the way it melts into my skin when I'm applying it, like I don't want to stop touching my face because it feels so good when I'm applying it. And you only need the smallest amount. Like I just grabbed a little more to get around like my sideburn area because I forgot about it. But a little bit goes a long way with this moisturizer. So I really do think that is like the honest to God first sample from Sephora that I've tried that I'm actually going to buy because it just feels amazing on my skin. My skin looks amazing when I use it, and it just feels luxurious, and I need that in my life, a luxurious feeling moisturizer. Oh, it feels nice. So yeah, if you have bought this moisturizer and used it, let me know what you think about it in the comments, because I don't even remember how much it is, but I honestly just might buy it. Oh, it feels good. So the final step in my skincare routine is lip mask or a lip oil or a chapstick, because let's be honest, we're getting into the colder seasons. We need to take care of those lips now. So I'm also using another Laneige sample. This is the lip sleeping mask. I've heard a lot of good things about this, but I was always so hesitant to try it because like it's a glorified lip balm basically. But let me tell you, it makes my lips feel and look so moisturized, and I don't know about you guys, but when I put this on, I feel like my lips look plumper, if that makes sense. Like, give me a minute. Like, and it's not like, you know how you get those strings sometimes for like lip products like this? No strings. So I like to just slather my lips in it and call it a day. But I was also so hesitant to buy this because it is like a glorified lip balm. But I understand it now because my lips genuinely feel more moisturized. They look moisturized, and I feel like my lips look plumper when I put this on. Call me crazy, which I am, but my lips do look plumper. Like, I'm looking in my mirror over here, and I feel like my lips look plumper, but I could be crazy, so who knows? Crazy all along, I think, and shiz. But yeah, if you've tried this one, let me know. I don't know if I'm going to buy the actual like product of it. We'll see. But if you've tried this, let me know in the comments below and let me know what you think. And that is my entire skincare routine at night. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I would just like to say that these are products that work for me. If these products don't work for you, they don't work for you. If you do love these products, continue to love these products. Skincare is so different for everybody. But once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on Tuesday.